Hi and welcome to Client Heartbeat Mondays, something to look forward to on a Monday. Today I just wanted to take you through 5 ways we can monitor customer complaints. Now at Client Heartbeat we recommend using a customer feedback survey tool to monitor customer complaints, but today I wanted to introduce 5 other ways that you can do this pretty easily. So number 1, use social media monitoring tools. So these are tools like Sprout Social, Social Bro, and what they basically do is they monitor your brand dimensions. So for instance, if you were Best Buy, you could use a tool like this to monitor every time Best Buy is talked about on Twitter or Facebook or Google. You can then go one step further with Conversocial, and basically what that does is it can monitor when Best Buy is talked about whilst the keyword customer service is also talked about. So when someone tweets, I really had a bad customer service experience at Best Buy, not going back there ever again, Best Buy can actually get notified quickly about that particular tweet and then have the opportunity to respond. So it's a great way to respond to customer complaints and rectify any problems. Use social media pages. So this is different to the media tools. This is actually using your own Facebook and your Twitter pages as a customer support and customer complaint channel. So oftentimes a lot of people are now using their mobile phones so much. I read a study the other day where people are using their phones 150 times a day. So they don't want to be lodging boring complaint forms at the local Best Buy store anymore. They're going to go to the Facebook page and they're going to leave a comment there because they know they're going to hopefully get a response. And that's where you need to be responding. You need to be proactive on those pages. So when someone does leave you a complaint on that page, make sure you quickly leave a comment back, respond to the complaint, and work towards resolving it and making sure that you put a solution in place. This not only helps that particular customer, but now that everybody can see this comment on your Facebook page, you want to be positioning yourself as a company that actually acts and cares about their customers to ensure that their problems are resolved quickly. Use customer support software. So this is software where they link your email address with sort of support ticketing software. So good examples are Zendesk, Help Scout, and Desk.com. So we actually use Desk.com at Client Heartbeat, and it's a great way if our customers want to leave a complaint, they can email it through to us, and then the system will actually bring it through to Desk.com. We can then assign it to a particular person. So if the complaint's to do with something to do with marketing, which is my area field, I can then get notified of your complaint. If it's something to do with a technical complaint, then we'll send it to our lead engineer. So these sort of software tools are a great way to help you monitor customer complaints and then assign the right person to ensure the problem gets fixed quickly. Use a phone number. So this is an old traditional one and something that I think is really important still, because you still have customers that want to use the phone. Whether they're not used to using mobiles or their social media stuff, they still want to just pick up the phone and talk to someone. Now that's not to say that we can just outsource this phone support to a company overseas. We don't want to be doing that. The last thing a customer wants to do when they're trying to lodge a complaint is to talk to someone that really doesn't care. I strongly recommend keeping customer complaints and support internally in your organization, because when a customer is talking to you, they want to feel that you actually are inside the organization, you really care about what they think, so that you can make sure that problem stops happening and it can get fixed really quickly. 5th is use Google Alerts. So Google Alerts is a cool little tool where you can actually track when your company or specific terms are being talked about on the whole internet. So whether it's on a blog post, a discussion forum, a video comment or whatever, you can make sure that you're on top of it. So a great example is, say, if someone is talking about Client Heartbeat on a review site or something, I'll actually get a notification, so then I have the opportunity to respond. Another great example is, say you're a local pub or something, a customer has actually left a complaint on Yelp.com. You'll actually get a notification via Google Alerts to say, hey look, Yelp's given you there's a bad review on Yelp. And you have the opportunity to go jump on Yelp and sort of help to try and rectify that problem before it starts exploding into something that can't be fixed. So there it is, 5 quick ways to help you monitor customer complaints. My name is Ross and I work for a company called Client Heartbeat, and we are a customer feedback and satisfaction tool. So we can actually help you monitor your customer complaints and proactively address them before they get into big problems. But yeah, today I just wanted to discuss 5 other ways that you can also do it. So this is Ross from Client Heartbeat. Mondays, something to look forward to on a Monday. See you next week.